I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing a clean stereo song into Garageband. Once done, duplicate the track immediately so you keep an untouched backup. Make sure Smart Controls and the Editor panel are visible. This gives you access to EQ, gain, and plugins. You'll work on the duplicate because you'll invert phase and apply filters that can irreversibly change audio. So, press Command-D to duplicate, select the duplicate, and get ready to isolate center information, where most vocals live. Next, split the duplicated stereo track into 2 mono tracks. This exposes left and right channels for processing. You'll invert the phase on one mono track. This cancels center-panned audio, which often contains lead vocals. Then, use the EQ to attenuate the 1 kHz to 3 kHz region where vocals concentrate. Apply narrow cuts rather than broad dips, and sweep to find the vocal sweet spot. Make sure levels stay balanced so instruments don't disappear. Finish by refining. Add a subtle noise gate to tame residual vocal bleed, and a light reverb to smooth any hollowness. You should compare the process track to the original often, and use automation to bring back specific sections if instruments got too thin. If you hear weird phase artifacts, fluttering or hollow stereo, undo to the original duplicate and reduce inversion amount, or try cutting narrower EQ bands. As a last resort, use spectral editing in a dedicated app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.